What's up, guys? Rob from the Trap House. About to head out. Today's a pretty big day. Picking up the coupe. There's my doors. I'm getting the 25-1 done for 6.0 cert. Pretty much just loaded all the straps up. We are about to head out with my dog, my road dog, Fusang, and Big Bertha.
Fucking a knot. It's our first time meeting, so she feel like a thought. I ain't met the bitch before, so I came with a Glock. She throw her back tongue out, said I'm hitting the spot. Like,
I'm saying block. Talking shit. Or speaking facts. Speaking facts.
I get them bands like a rich nigga. I do my dance like a rich nigga. She a bad bitch, she want a rich nigga. I just pop the Percocet and put some dick in her. I ain't worried about them niggas, bitch, I keep it poppin'. Nigga blocked up, then I sip this whole pint like a nigga coffee. G.O.D., I can't be around no broke nigga. R.I.P. to Matt Pete, that my gold digger.
So I gotta record this. Fusang is not one to normally get down and dirty, but I got him. What's up, Fusang? What you doing, bro?
What?
What you doing, bro?
You think I'm doing work for you?
I gotcha. Guys, so we literally just pulled up, unloaded it, moved the trailer onto the driveway, and we made it here with a handful of gas. So Fusang went and filled up with fuel. Unfortunately, the car wasn't done and ready when we got there, so as opposed to coming back and having to go back out there again on a following weekend or whatnot, me and Fusang, we got involved. We helped finish the car just so we can get in and get out. And they're spending 4 hours. At first I was a little upset, but you know what? The quality of the stuff is legit. Chad killed it, so can't be too mad. The car's home. We're home in 1 day, so it is what it is. Until then, that's all I got. Tomorrow I'll start putting stuff back together and see what we got, see what I got to order, start, you know, the final assembly for this thing. We do want to paint it in and out. Probably finish the floorboard tomorrow also.
Call me. I could never trust a bitch, cause they all freaks. I ain't trying to keep it cool, the niggas all sweet. 20 deep in the club and we all geek. Molly hit, lockjaw, niggas can't talk. Shot a nigga in his leg, now he can't walk. I made this bitch on Instagram, then she ate caught. My baby mama caught me slipping with my face locked. All the bitches in my phone, you see the face on it. Goddamn, I got rich nigga problems. I think I need a rich bitch coming solve this bitch. Yeah, I said I got rich nigga problems, bitch. Huh. Need a rich bitch.